So I'm supposed to ask them to jump?
Yes, but they have to be on the floor.
Oh. Hey guys, can you get on the floor?
You wanna jump? Can you do... Come here, Griffin. Come here, Drake. Yeah. All right. Can you jump? Jump. 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 That's right. Can you jump? Jump. Jump. Yeah, jump. Come here, Griffin. Let's jump. Can you jump? Can you jump? Can you jump? Here. We're gonna stand here and we're gonna jump. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, jump! Can you jump? Jump!
Good work, guys.